So let me briefly explain you why you should read my book. Because working in an L&D department is quite challenging. There are numerous customers with different needs, so you are constantly re-evaluating, are we doing the right things? Are we adding enough value? And this book helps you to define the gap between how you do it right now and where you want to be ideally in the future. And it guides you with very practical steps towards your desired situation. And we cover two lenses. So on the one hand side, we cover you as an individual L&D professional. Are you doing the right things? What can you do differently to improve your impact? But also on a team level. Are you as a team organized in the right way? Are you focusing on the right stuff? Are you aligned with your customers, etc., etc.? So hopefully you enjoy this book.